today I'm taking you to Dettifoss Waterfall, which is still up in the north of Iceland. It's a bit of a bumpy old road coming out here, I tell you, but once you get here, it's pretty phenomenal. I mean, I can see the spray coming off the waterfall now. I've already got a shot here. I've used the Nikon with the 80 to 400mm lens and just shot through the mist, and I'm pretty happy with it because I've got this shot where the mist is just dancing right across the top of this green cliff here. It should make a really cool abstract shot. I'll put that up on screen now for you. Anyway, I'm going to go down there and see what type of photograph I can get. So I've tried setting up here with Dettifoss behind me there, and basically the lighting's no good. Also, I'm absolutely getting smashed with spray and wind on this side. I actually did quickly rattle off a shot with the 80 to 400 with some people on the corner there, just to give you the grand scale type of thing of all the water coming over the side of the waterfall there. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to move up. I'm going to move up around to the edge of Dettifoss and see if I can get a shot from there. So what I've done is I've actually used because I'm using a lightweight tripod, I actually use my camera bag as a weight to hold it down in these very, very strong winds. Works really well. Just lets me concentrating on getting the shot really. So what I've got at the moment, I've got on the front of the camera a 0.6 ND grad, shooting at f11. I've got 100 ISO, and I'm shooting at about just on 1/60th of a second. So let's give that a go. Wow. So that was Dettifoss. Holy dooly. Dettifoss almost blew me off its cliff and into the canyon below. The wind was just howling through. It's hitting me again now. I did my best. I had my tripod actually firmly planted with my camera bag. Just a little trick that I like to use with that travel light tripod is I put my bag across it, just adds that weight to hold it down while I'm taking a shot. And I'm off to the next location. I'm going to go and find a nice sunset shot, hopefully somewhere around Lake Myvatn. There's some geothermal pools and everything like that around there, so I might try something a bit arty for that this afternoon. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. As usual, you are very welcome to subscribe to my channel. Give it the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below. Anyway, for now, it's good afternoon from Dettifoss. Next time on Photographing Iceland. I've decided I'm going to shoot a sunset from a volcano.